Welcome to our YouTube channel, All for Food and Food for All. I'm Naz.
I'm Kayla.
And I'm Kara. This is our 5-course meal Italian edition.
So we are going to be making mozzarella sticks and we're going to be teaching you how to do it with us.
Woo!
Let's get started!
These are the ingredients we're going to be using today. We have eggs. We're just using the yolks, mozzarella cheese, flour, and then breadcrumbs. We're going to put egg yolks in one bowl, the flour in one bowl, and then the breadcrumbs in another bowl.
Here's a quick list of our ingredients.
Okay, so these are the portions, and now we're gonna use half of this mozzarella block. Cut it in half.
Okay, so we just cut this cheese in half. We're only using 1 pound, half of the big block. Now we're gonna be cutting it into the portions of the mozzarella cheese. This is a really dull knife, guys. But this is the thickness and like width about that we want for our mozzarella, more blocks we should say. Now we're having Kayla finish cut up these mozzarella blocks while Naz and I are pouring the vegetable oil.
So we're going to pour enough to fully cover our mozzarella sticks.
And the bottom.
So for us, it's probably going to be
And that's good.
about that much.
We'll get the right measurements for y'all in the caption below. Make sure to check it out.
Okay.
Now that they're finally cut.
So it's not the end of the world if they're not all even. Like this one, very skinny, and this one, very fat. But
Right.
it's gonna be really tasty.
It'll all taste the same in the end. And we're also turning on the stove so our oil starts to heat up.
Y'all are just hating.
Okay, guys, now that we have our oil going and our cheese cut, we're gonna be doing the breading process, which we're gonna dip it in the flour, then the egg, then the breadcrumbs, then the egg again, and then
Okay, so here's an example one.
taking our cheese,
We're taking our cheese and we're dipping in the flour. And after it's in the flour, she's gonna knock it off. Wow. Now she's gonna dip it in the egg yolks.
try to keep one hand clean for breadcrumbs and one for egg.
Look, all coated. Now she's gonna move on to the breadcrumbs. Wow. The more breadcrumbs, the better, because it'll be more crispy. Really massage it in there. And then we're going back for the eggs. Mmm, so gooey. And then back for even more breadcrumbs, so it's like 2 layers thick.
Make sure to get the ends, guys. Don't want to let them be free. There you go.
Here's our finished mozzarella sticks, and now we're gonna get ready to get them in the pot of oil.
While Kayla's doing the dishes and possibly cleaning up, we're gonna have Naz put in our first mozzarella stick into the oil.
I'm just gonna pop it in there.
Oh, look at that. We made sure to get her to use tongs to be safe, because that's one of our priorities.
Yep, I'm not the
And-
most experienced chef in the kitchen, but
We don't want her to get burned by the oil, like sizzling up.
so we're gonna leave this in for a little while.
Yeah, like, we'll get to the next one now. Okay, guys, our oil was a bit too hot and it burnt our thing, but we're gonna cut into this and see how it looks. Ooh,
Very cheesy, ooey gooey.
nice
Cheese pull.
Next one, we'll have a lower temperature on the oil so it doesn't get as burnt. Okay, guys, we lowered our temperature since. We don't know how low it's gotten, but it's a learning experience for all of us. We're gonna quickly take it out, so hold on. Ooh.
Nice and crispy.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now we're gonna throw in the rest of them.
And we'll see you guys when.
Okay, we're gonna move our last piece.
Last one to the plate. And we're gonna do a nice cheese pull for you guys. When we're turning our stove off, because safety once again.
Don't want to start a fire.
Oh,
Is that not hot?
it's so hot. How?
Maybe wait a second before you do your cheese pull.
Yeah, but for you guys, I'd do anything.
Okay, so now we're done, and you can enjoy with the dipping sauce of choice.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more of our videos.
Bye, guys.
Hey, it's Naz. Truthfully, I was a little bit scared going into this video because I have never worked with hot oil, and clearly you guys saw how my first time ever using it worked out. Burnt a mozzarella stick, but in the end I think it was really fun and they turned out really delicious. We even shared some with Kayla's mom and she seemed to love it too. I think that this is a really great recipe for all beginners out there, or even if you're more advanced. I think it'll turn out really good and I can't wait to see you guys make it.